Welcome to NPM Tech. We talk about cool tools you really need to buy. Mini Grinder Trade, specifically designed for trade applications. The Mini Grinder Trade is yet another highly versatile Arbortech tool. With an extension arm, this tool is perfect for reaching tight spots other grinders can't reach. The Mini Grinder Trade is very useful for metalworking, grout removal, tile cutting, stone carving, surface finishing, and rust removal. Miltona Sod Stripper. Miltona's Sod Stripper sod cutting tool is perfect for those small repair jobs on any type or height of grass. It is adjustable in depth of cut from 5/8 of an inch to 1. The Sod Stripper combo comes complete with 2 inches, 3 inches, 5 inches, and 7 inches cutting blades. Choose the special deep cutting blade to undercut sod for hex plugger and sand base greens and cuts to 2 inches depth. Tramix Deck Scanner. The Tramix Deck Scanner is a mobile non-destructive impedance scanner designed for the instant surveying of moisture conditions in flat roofing and waterproofing systems per ASTM D7954. The Deck Scanner roofing moisture meter detects and measures leaks within the roofing structure, is ideal for water leak detection and roofing materials and integrity testing, giving an instantaneous and clear indication of the roof moisture condition. The Deck Scanner is robust, easy to assemble, can be used in normal daylight hours, and is easy and safe to use with no regulatory restrictions or operating license required. Facom DigiCal Torque Wrenches 307. While keeping speed and use of the familiar mechanical click, the new 307 torque wrenches Facom series integrates a digital screen which helps reducing errors in setting and improves the reading of the value. The new nonlinear mechanism provides greater accuracy/repeatability and easy calibration. The light in addition to the click adding reliability in the application of the torque. PGKD. Did I install this pipe link seal correctly? Is the most asked question when installing a modular link seal. The PGKD link seal for pipes is the only product on the market that gives you a definitive answer along with confidence. Its unique integrated installation control visually indicates when the seal is secure. Crews, engineers, and owners get the added peace of mind and security that the PGKD modular link seal has been installed properly. Gas, water, sewer, and electrical crews will appreciate having the nuts molded into the pressure plate, a pipe link seal design that greatly reduces the risk of lost parts. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.